Believe in yourself and your unique abilities. You possess a wealth of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. Trust in your instincts, follow your passions, and pursue your purpose with unwavering determination. Remember, you have the power to create a life that surpasses your wildest dreams.
Sure. Did you ever wonder how this kind of talking avatar is being created? In this video, I will reveal the secret AI website you can use to create this kind of talking avatar for your faceless YouTube channel or for your personal brand and business. Make sure you watch the video till the end.
So this is how you can create this talking avatar using these 3 AI websites. So make sure you watch the video to the end because I'm going to guide you step by step of how you can achieve this. Now first, for we to achieve this, we need to use 3 AI websites. 3 AI websites. Now the first one for this is the ChatGPT, and the second one is the Bing image generator, and the last one is the website that we'll be using to transform the AI image into an talking avatar. So first of all, let me show you how you can generate an AI image which we can use. Now the second thing which I will show you is how you can generate a prompt like this, and the last will be how you can turn the AI image into talking avatar. Now stay with me till the end. Now first of all, if you open your browser, you see this is Bing image generator. Now if you go to your browser, either you are using Chrome or any of your browser, you just have to type image. So you just have to type Bing image creator. So you are going to have this interface. So when you open it, you are going to have this interface. Now this is how you can join and create. Now come over to where you see join and create. So I'm just going to sign up with an account. So I'll come over to here. I'll go with personal account. So let's allow it to come up. So I'll input. So as you can see, I already have account with this website. So because I've been using this website to create an account, so now I will just go straight to the point to log in my password. Now in your own case, if you don't have an account with this website, you are going to see areas where you create an account and they send you an OTP and you verify. After you verify yourself, then you have a place to input your password like this, and you can also log in. So I'm going to log in. As you can see, now when you create an account, you are going to have this interface on this website. Now you have 15 points here that you can use to create any AI images. So you can also get another 15 points after 24 hours. Now so this is how you create. Now you come over to where you see, then you input the prompt that you want to use. So in this case, I just want to input any prompt to come up with an AI image because I don't want this video to be too long. But in your own case, you can use ChatGPT. So ChatGPT can give you an easy prompt that you can use. So in this case, I just want to give this. Let me just go with generate. So let me go with this. Generate an image of an old African old, let's say African man of about 65 years, right? So I'm just going to click on create. So let's wait and see what this website will come up with. So as you can see, it's creating the image. So let's just wait and see. So let me pause this video. Now as you can see here, it has come up with this. Now you can just tweak this prompt to have what you want, but for this tutorial I'm just going to go with this. So I'll just preview this one so I can save it to my phone. Alright, so I can preview this one. After I preview this one, I'll just come over to here where you see, I'll click on it, then I'll click on download. So as you can see, the image has been downloaded. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open a new tab so we can go to the last website. So I'll click on here, then I will come over to here. Now this is the website that we'll be using to transform the AI image into talking avatar. The name of this website is www.adra.com. So the name of this website is www.adra.com. so you can also see it in this place. So I'll be leaving the link of this website in the description of this video. So let me just go back. Now this is how you can use this website to create talking avatar. Now what you do on this website is a new website that is still new, which is you can use this website for free to generate talking avatar. So now when you open this website, you need to sign up so that you can be able to use this website. As you can see, I have already have account with this website. So when you open this website, then you are going to see sign up here. Then you click on the sign up here. Now you click on the sign up in this place. Now when you sign up, you are going to have this interface. So as you can see here, I'm just going to paste the prompt here. So let me just use the prompt I used in my previous video, so I'll also use the prompt I used in the description of this video, and you can as well use it to create yours. So let me go and copy my prompt here. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead. So I'll paste my prompt in this place. So I'll just paste the prompt I generated earlier in this place. So I'll also leave this prompt in the description of this video, so you can also use it to do just now. After I've pasted my prompt, so I'll come over to here. I will choose a voice. So this voice, there are many voices in this place, male and female. So I'll just go with this since I want to use a male AI image. So I'll just go with male. So as you can see, I'm going with Brian. So I'll just click on Brian. Now so I will import my AI image, the AI image we generated. So I'll just click on this. So I'll just click on this one. Now I'll click on done. So let's wait for it to upload the AI image. Now as you can see, it has uploaded the AI image. Now right, so I'll come over to where you see generate video. So I'm just going to click on this place to generate the video. So I'll click on generate. So this might take some time, especially if you are using this website for the first time. So I'm just going to wait. As you can see, my video is on the queue, so I have to pause this video so we can come back and check here. So let me. So the AI image is generating, as you can see. So we have 43% here. So like I said, this might take some time, especially if you are using this website for the first time, but you just have to exercise patience. But it's going to come up with something you like. So that is why I like this website. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can also push it to more people. And let me know in the comment section if you know other website, or you want to know how you can generate prompt for your AI image. Then let me know in the comment section. So as you can see, we have 73 here. So let me just pause this video for it to come back again. Okay, now the AI image has been generated and it has been turned into talking avatar. So as you can see here, we can click here to preview this, then we can click here to download. So let's just preview and see what it's going to look like. So I'll just click on preview. So let's wait for it.
Never stop learning and expanding your knowledge.
Okay.
Seek out new experiences, acquire new skills, and challenge yourself intellectually.
So,
the world is evolving at a rapid pace, and it's crucial to stay curious and adaptable.
So
embrace lifelong learning and never settle for mediocrity.
Now, this is where you click to save, to download this talking avatar into your phone. So I'll just click on here. So I'll just click again. It's going to download into my phone. Now as you can see, it has downloaded. Now that is how you can create this talking avatar. So if you have watched this video to the end, please don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.